The KEIM silicate paint systems consist of KEIM silicate paint, the KEIM dilution for the appropriate system to dilute the base coat, and the filler coat of either KEIM Grob from within the specified paint system or KEIM Contact Plus, used to match any differences in texture and to fill surface cracks. KEIM silicate paints can be applied to all common mineral substrates. Before painting, all surfaces should be examined. There may be some surface preparation work needed before applying the product. A sandy, chalking substrate is not suitable for coatings. For this situation, the substrate should be pre-treated with KEIM fixative, mixed in a ratio of 1 part fixative to 2 parts water. The substrate can then be prepared with this mixture. Apply the fixative and water mixture liberally to the plaster surfaces. This will require a drying time of at least 12 hours before applying the base coat. KEIM mineral paints are the classic solution for long-lasting architectural protection. Contact us today to learn how the family of KEIM silicate paints and related products provide durable painting solutions that can last for decades.